Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI for business plans. Start with a strong prompt in Claude AI, like act as a startup expert and help me refine this business idea and make sure to include your target audience, the problem you are solving, and your product or service, so Claude can better understand your idea and suggest useful improvements. Next, ask Claude to analyze your target market and competitors or find trends in your industry, and it will give you customer insights, a competitor breakdown, and highlight market opportunities that can help you position your business better. Then, build a complete business plan by asking Claude to create a full business plan for your idea, and it will generate an executive summary, business model, revenue strategy, market plan, and cost structure, which feels like having a professional consultant guiding you. After that, create an AI team by assigning roles to Claude, such as acting as your marketing manager, financial advisor, or operations manager, and this helps you get more focused and role-based responses for different parts of your business. Now, execute daily tasks by using Claude to write ads and content, plan social media, draft emails, or create SOPs. And for example, you can ask it to create a 30-day marketing plan for your brand to stay consistent and organized. Finally, optimize and scale your business by asking how you can increase profit, find weakness in your business model, or suggest ways to scale, and Claude will help you grow faster with more structured and data-driven ideas. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.